Omulimo gwatongozebwaho President General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, omuhwezi we Retired Major General Jessica Alupo, Ambassador wa China mu Uganda His Excellence Zhang Lizhong na Minister w'ebyobugiga bw'omwitaka Dr. Ruth Nankabirwa wa Sentamu nigwetwa mu rujungu Spading. Ekinchimanyisa ngu company ya China Offshore Oil Company Limited Uganda nezo kutandika okusindika enshekye okuzimu zihike omu bidiba ebyashangirwamu amajuta aha mwaro gwa Buhuka omu district ya Kikuube. Na bwanyuma enshekye ezi niziza kufundikirwa okutangira amaizi na kasasiro okuza okuzimu okusa 2025 obu baratandika okunyurira amajuta agarikwija gekwasire ekimata omu rujungu eki barikweta crude oil.
Tandika okutimba n'okutimba kugira ngu tike amajuta aho gari kutimba amaziba mingi abokuba bene batimba kuza kumanya ngu amajuta gariyo nkaha bakatimba iziba rumwe na ahandi well parts ezindi batimba iziba rumwe kwenda kumanya amajuta ngaliyo kuzomu hati nituza kuba ntutimbaho amaziba gandi mingi aha well pardage na well parts ezindi nazo ntija kuba ntutimbaho amaziba gandi mingi kuhika aha reservoirs.
President yasima ihanga rya China hamwe na Bufaransa ahabo kushagika emirimo ya Uganda eyo kutimba amajuta niko kuchena abajungu ababire nibenda kuremesa Uganda okutimba amajuta gayo.
This oil is not a problem at all because first of all, the carbon dioxide which comes from these fossil fuels is not necessarily a problem if it is handled well.
We shall continue to ensure excellence and effective development of the Kingfisher developed area in an environmentally friendly and sustainable manner.
We are committed, and so far the Tanzanian government has contributed about $121 million which is equity to the eco project.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga aha mukoro ogu hona yajumirira abantu abari kutahirira ekibira kya Bugoma.
So please, that forest is very, very important. You can see how God helped us. This is fantastic. This oil you are talking about was made by God here. Because that oil you are talking about is coming from mainly plants. Plants which were buried in the Rift Valley here, but coming from the escarpment are the ones which are squeezed to produce the oil. So the forests are very crucial. You hear the other forests which were on the countryside. You cannot say the oil and the maize are more important than the forest. No.
Ugandans to be blessed, and we shall continue to worship God. So we thank you, Your Excellency, that in your time we have had the discovery of oil and gas.
Peter Banura, chairman wa district ya Kikuube, yagambira President aha nshonga y'entaro z'itaka eziri omu kicweka eki.
Mr. President, Kikuube is a multi-ethnic community and a lot of multinationals have ably invested in our area. We should not entertain any subversive tribal sentiments that would jeopardize the progress so far achieved by the NRM government in the region.
Tugenda lw'okusima amafuta tugenze tululinnya ku mutwe kubanga ebinaayiikula amafuta ago mu nzizi gye gali olwaleero bye tutongoza era nga tugenda kutandika omulimu ogw'okukolokota agaasiyaza agali wansi eyo okulaba nti amafuta tugajjayo.
Dola biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 5 zihwireho okukora emirimo ekozirwe omu mwaka oguhwire kandi nibateekateeka okutamu dola biliyoni 8 omu mwaka ogu hamwe n'omwaka 2024. Gasha kwa Ambrose Niwagaba Katoto.